Do you need to update the phone number associated with your Apple ID? Changing your phone number is essential if you've switched to a new number or need to keep your account secure. This guide will walk you through the process of updating your phone number on your Apple ID. Let's get started. Update trusted phone number. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap your Apple ID at the top of the screen. First, add your phone number by tapping Add Email or Phone Number option. Select Phone Number. Select your country and enter your phone number. Tap Continue. This will send you a code. Enter your code and add your number. After adding your number, from the main setting of Sign-in Security, delete your old phone number. Just tap the number. Tap Remove from Account. By following these steps, you'll successfully updated your phone number on your Apple ID and ensure all services are synced with the new number. Let me know if this guide helped or if you have any further questions.